On today's episode, GM recalls 1 million vehicles over airbag inflators. Today's episode is brought to you by Engineering.com, a globally trusted source for engineering content. Check out this and many other exclusive videos for the engineering professional found only on Engineering.com TV today. General Motors has announced that the company is recalling almost 1 million sport utility vehicles in the U.S. as part of a National Highway Traffic Safety Administration push to recall 67 million defective airbag inflators manufactured by Tier 1 supplier ARC Automotive. The federal agency claims that the inflators can project potentially lethal metal shrapnel into the passenger cabin when airbags deploy. ARC Automotive has rejected the government allegations and has stated that the airbag issues are random, one-off manufacturing anomalies that are better addressed with smaller, targeted recalls. According to ARC, the government's conclusion is based upon 7 incidents in the U.S., which the company claims is too small a sample size to justify a recall of 67 million inflators produced over 18 years. Nevertheless, GM is recalling 994,763 Buick Enclave, Chevrolet Traverse, and GMC Acadia vehicles built between 2014 and 2017. Similar inflators are installed in some Stellantis, BMW, and Kia vehicles as well. Airbag engineering is deceptively simple. Sodium azide is oxidized in an electrically triggered exothermic reaction to produce sodium oxide and a large amount of nitrogen gas, which inflates the bag. To protect occupants in a crash, the reaction has to be rapid, and the bag can inflate in as little as 50 milliseconds. While total bag peak pressures are not large, on the order of 5 psi, the bag itself deploys at speeds as fast as 200 miles per hour, meaning that small metal fragments caught in the inflation process can be propelled with considerable, possibly lethal force. In 2014, over 3 million vehicles from BMW, Chrysler, Ford, Honda, Mazda, Nissan, and Toyota were recalled due to similar safety concerns with Takata-made airbags, with that company identifying the cause as moisture seepage into the inflators, which destabilized the propellant inside. That recall occurred after a NHTSA investigation following 3 injury complaints. While the Takata recalls involved over 40 million vehicles, the ARC issues are so far limited to just under 1 million GM-produced SUVs. The total cost is not yet known, but this recall poses a question important to auto manufacturers of safety-critical assemblies throughout the industry. What is the acceptable failure rate for parts produced in volumes of hundreds or thousands or millions? 0 defects are always the goal, but in practice it's almost never achievable. Can these issues be fixed with conventional QC or SPC methods? We'll know as this and similar recalls work through the system. Well, that's it for today's episode of This Week in Engineering, brought to you by Engineering.com. For our deeper engineering series, visit Engineering.com TV for exclusive shows like Manufacturing the Future, Designing the Future, and the Engineering Roundtable, not found on our YouTube channel. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.